Hello everybody, just got this small box. Let's check what is inside this box. In the second box you will find the radio, Xhdata D328, charging cable, USB-C, and additional stuff, user manual in English. The radio looking pretty good. It's black color. On top of the radio you see the charging port, USB-C, switch, MP3, Bluetooth, radio, port for SD card, and buttons for using with MP3 player. The switch of the bands, 2 FM bands, 64 megahertz to 108, but divided into bands. I don't know why they divided from 62, let's focus, till 108, and from 87 till 108. One of the band is wider than the second. On the right side you see the volume control, tuning. This is mechanical tuning, like in the classical radios. Old school radios has the same tuning knob. The 3.5 millimeters port for headphones. The antenna length around 50 centimeters. The back side you see the frequency band of the radio, FM from 64 till 108 megahertz, medium wave from 520 till 7030 kilohertz, short waves from 3750 till 2230 kilohertz, means 22 megahertz. The battery BL5C, let's check the battery. Yeah, BL5C, the same is used for mobile phones Nokia. I have such type of old school phone. Let's put the battery into the phone and try to turn on the phone. All works perfectly. In games, select Sudoku. Demo, basics, answer a call. It's a tiny phone. Let's switch off the phone and put the battery back to the radio and turn on the radio and check how it works. Now let's check FM radio. Let's check the short waves.
Ceci a souligné les progrès réalisés par la direction du port.
Indonesia has officially become a full member of BRICS. The group endorsed the Southeast Asian nation's candidacy at the Johannesburg summit in 2023. Brazil, this year's BRICS president, announced
Currently I'm using this radio inside the building, and you can hear a lot of noise because LED lamps without any filters and a lot of power supplies inside the building. Probably if you go outside with this radio, you will get the reception much better. Also, you can use SD card in this radio as MP3 player. Just put SD card right here.